me quick print this out. All right. Whoop. All right, box. Print. Just print out the list so I can reference it. And then we'll get rolling here. Yep, there it is. Turn it off as sail mode for some reason. Okay. There's the list. Gloves are on. Top loader is set. How's everybody doing? Where did I put that? Threw it over here, I guess. There it is, buried. There's a pen somewhere. Oh, okay. Live. Let's get the next two done. Alright, I'll go through this just real quick. We've got Diamondbacks, Mike Keff, Scott Anders, Braves, Brandon Cooley, Orioles, Red Sox, Josh Safridi, Cubs, Wyndham, White Sox, Corey Carell, Reds, Anders, Indians, Lauer, Rockies, Lauer, Cooper's got the Tigers, Lauer's got the Astros, Cooper's got the Royals, Anders has the Angels, Lions has the Dodgers, Sebastian's got the Marlins, Brewers, Brock Engel, Twins, Scott Anders, Mets, Anders, Yankees, Cooley, A's, Nadim's got them, Phillies, Scott Anders, Pirates, Scott Anders, Padres, Scott Anders, Giants, Scott Anders. He won all four in one of the fillers. That's the first time that's happened in a long time. And I just bounced out. Hopefully he comes back. So I was at the Padres, Anders, Giants, Anders, Mariners, Walter. Anders has the Cardinals, Rays has Lauer, Rangers, Anders, Blue Jays, Anders, and Chris Sartori has the Nationals. And that's how it played out. All right. Oh, good. I see some. Everything up and running good. I went out for a second. I'm just going to give it a minute and let some other people jump in, and I'll start ripping them. Actually, let's just get them open. I'll get the first one open because I got to open up the boxes. I like how I did that before when I was just doing Star Wars. That was a cool break. I like that. I'll definitely be doing more of that. Well, I have it, but... Alright, Bowman Sterling has 5 boxes. 4, 5. I'll at least get them open for the pack. Okay. Alright, there's a little mini box number 1. While I'm waiting for people to get on, I'll get this first one opened up. I can't tag. I don't know what. Something's got to change with that. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll look it up online and see if anybody's having the same issue and how they handled it. Because it's PC oriented. It's not. I already cleared the history and the cache and all that stuff. Shouldn't be an issue. Okay. That's 4, and here's the 5th one. That way we can just open them and go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's box number 1. Opened up. Okay, here we go. first pack. Let's get some fire like we did last night. That was crazy. Pete Alonso orange. All right, first pack, box 1. We got a Diaz from the Orioles. We've got Nick Madrigal. And then we have an autograph, and it is going to the Blue Jays, Chad Spanberger. Right off the bat. Chad Spanberger of the Blue Jays. And that's going right into a 59 pointer. It's not numbered, but the Blue Jays are on the board. Looks like Scott. And then we've got a, wow, is this going to be gold? Chris Bryant. 21 out of 50 gold Bowman reflection card insert. So a gold Chris Bryant from the Cubs. And that is going to Travis. There you go, Travis. Number to 50. And we've got Ronaldo Hernandez from the Rays and a Luis Urias of the Padres. That's a rookie card. Cool. First pack. We got a gold already. Second one, we've got Tatis Jr. I'll throw that in a sleeve like I did last night. Certain cards that are rookies that I'll just protect right away. We have Keston Hiura. And then we've got Sixto Sanchez, refractor. And that's going to go to the Marlins. Oh, we got a pretty good one there. I like this next one. Wow. 124 out of 199. Sixto Sanchez, Marlins, refractor. For the Marlins tonight. Arthur, there you go, Arthur. There's your first Marlins. And this next one's pretty sweet. This next one is going to be going to Scott Anders, Joey Bart. Joey Bart, 55 out of 99, Sparkle autograph. Nice. Right there, that's a good one to come in on. Joey Bart. Number to 99, Sparkle auto for the new San Francisco Giants. We also have Sixto Sanchez numbered for the Marlins. We've got a gold Chris Bryant, Bowman Reflections, number to 50. And Chad Spanberger of the Blue Jays to start us off. Then we've got Ian Anderson and Jonathan India wrapping up pack 2. Pretty sweet autograph there, Joey Bart. And then we go to pack 3. We've got Patchy of the Braves. Dylan Cease. I got a 101, it looks like, coming up. White Sox. And we have a 1 of 1. It's going to go to the Mariners. Kikuchi. Yellow printing plate for, is it Yusel Kikuchi of the Mariners. Rookie card. 1 of 1. Mariners. Josh Walter. There you go, bud. You got a printing plate yellow. And then the autograph is a silver wave, and it's going to go to the Cardinals. Horace Montero, 68 out of 125. Silver wave auto. And that is Scott. Scott's doing well on the autos. I think that's his third one. And Richard, you saw box 4 is up, right? Cedric Mullins, Orioles rookie card, and Dewell Lugo rookie card of the Tigers. All right, here we go with, what is it, the 4th pack. We got Mackenzie Gore, the Padres. Royce Lewis of the Twins. Rowdy Tellez of the Blue Jays rookie card. And this is the auto, I think, the next one. Victor Mesa. Nice. We got his brother last night. We got Victor Mesa Jr. this time. Marlins. That's a good hit. There you go, Arthur. That is pretty cool. That's a good auto. Victor Mesa Jr., Miami Marlins. And then we've got Kyle Wright of the Braves, rookie card, and Travis Swaggerty of the Pirates. And then we go into the fifth. I like Storling. I like Bowman. I'm pretty sure he still has. If he has it on Monday, I'm going to get the other half. I just picked up another National Treasures and another Star Wars case today. Bryce Wilson, rookie card. De Los Santos of the Phillies, rookie card. Brandon Marsh of the Angels, autograph. And that's going to Scott. Brandon Marsh of the Angels. It's a base auto. LA Angels. Boom. And we got Jared Kelenic, Mariners. Brendan McKay, Rays. And Nolan Gorman of the Cardinals. To round out that box. Box 1 is in the books. Not bad. Sweet Joey Bart auto. Victor Mesa auto. We got another gold Kobe Bryant insert. And here's the second box. You'll see another one of these pop up probably, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I think Tyler might be doing something. If he's going to be doing tribute. So I'm not sure when he's planning on doing that, but if he's going to do that tomorrow, I'll hold off until maybe he's done. Give him a chance to fill it. And there, they're all done. I can be done with that. I'll just get these one at a time. Why not? First mini box, box 2. Okay, we have Luis Robert, the White Sox. We've got Bo Bichette of the Blue Jays. Joey Bart of the Giants. And Trevor Larnach of the Twins. The Twins get one here. That's not a bad looking auto. Who's got the Twins? That was Scott. That was in the one that he won all 4. Trevor Larnach. Nice Twins auto. Followed by Jazz Chisholm and Jesus Sanchez. Diamondbacks and Rays. I keep forgetting I already did that. Come on. Okay. Box 2, mini box 2, the second box. We have Jeff McNeil of the Mets, rookie card. Dean Dietz of the Astros, rookie card. Nick Senzel, rookie card of the Reds. And then we have Bo Naylor of the Indians. That's a rare Indians one that I've seen. I haven't gotten too many of them. Bo Naylor, Twins. Okay, I haven't pulled them in ages. I'm looking who. I got Nico in one of these. It's been a while. I think it was I don't know. I've done a lot of Sterling. Like I'm put them in mixers, and I've done a couple single boxers of them, and this is our third double box. It's just a little bit expensive. If you do it as a case, that's Chris Shaw and Lois Sega of the Yankees. If you do it as a case, it'd be pretty expensive, I think. It's easier this way. You don't break the bank, and you still get 10 autographs shot at them anyway, and some numbered cards. And it keeps Bowman moving. Yeah, I'm hoping he has them. I'll grab them Monday. We got Kopech rookie card, White Sox. We've got Julio Pablo Martinez. We got his autograph last night at the Rangers. And we have another Twins auto. Akil Baddoo. Twins. I haven't gotten this many Twins in a long time. Larnach and Baddoo now. for the Twins. And then we have Josh James, rookie card for Houston. Kikuchi of the Mariners, rookie card. And Jake Bowers of the Indians, rookie card. And we have 2 more yet. We're not done. Well, let's pull something big. That would be awesome. Okay, what do we got here? We have... Oh, we got a gold. We got a gold. Brady Singer, Royals. Okay, Brian Hayes. Oh, actually, we got gold and we got Disco Refractor. There's Seth Beer of the Astros. Adonis Medina of the Phillies. Okay, Brian Hayes of the Pirates. And then we have a gold Luis Urias of the Padres. Next one's not bad either. 25 out of 50 on that one. Padres. Scott Anders grabbed them too. 25 out of 50. Got a gold one. And then we have a Sparkle Refractor autograph for Corey Carell, Nick Madrigal. 53 out of 99. Sparkle Auto. Chicago White Sox. I've done well with him in this. I think we pulled his blue auto and his base auto in other ones that I've done. But there's his Sparkle auto going to Corey Carell. Not bad, not bad. What else we got? Empty. And what are we going to pull? What are we going to pull? We have Kristen Stewart rookie card. Detroit. Oh, an all-card ship. I always ship all cards, if you don't know already. Kevin Kramer, Pirates rookie card. There's a numbered... Here, I'll put these right there to cover up the auto. I want to do the auto last. Lugo, 198 out of 199 for the Tigers. It's a refractor. So the Tigers pull a numbered card there at the end. That's Derek Cooper. And then we have Joe Adell of Angels, Victor Mesa of the Marlins, and our last autograph is Michael Kopech. There you go. I know he's coming off surgery, but he's still pretty good. 111 out of 150, refractor autograph for the White Sox. So Corey ends up strong at the end with 2 White Sox hits. Kopech and Madrigal, both numbered. Nice. All right, recapping it. I might as well throw this in a sleeve too. It's the only one that got sleeved that was... All right, so we got Kopech, number to 150. We've got Tatis Jr., rookie card. We got Doel Lugo, number to 199 for the Tigers. Nick Madrigal, Sparkle Auto, number to 99 for the White Sox. Gold, Luis Urias, number to 50 for the Padres. We got Akil Baddoo, Twins autograph. We got Bo Naylor, Indians autograph. We got another twin, Trevor Larnach autograph. Brandon Marsh, Angels autograph. Yeah, they did. And it just goes to show you never know. Victor Mesa Jr. We had his Victor Mesa last night. We have Victor Mesa tonight. Marlins. We got Ella Horace Montero, number to 125, and that's a Silver Wave auto for the Cardinals. 101 Kikuchi rookie card, yellow printing plate for the Mariners. We've got Chad Spanberger for the Blue Jays. We've got a gold Chris Bryant Bowman reflection card, number 21 out of 50 for the Cubs. 6-0 Sanchez Marlins, number to 199 refractor. And a sweet Joey Bart, number to 99 Sparkle autograph for the Giants. Even with Bowman draft, I never got a lot of his. He's kind of avoided me for some reason. But that's pretty sweet. So, awesome. There it is. Bowman Sterling 2-boxer. I appreciate it. I will get the other one up over the weekend, and that'll be a half case we did. And, cool. Yeah, I'll be up for a little bit. If anybody has any messages, feel free to message me. And box 4 of that case of National Treasure is up. If you want to jump in that, and I can get that knocked out probably tomorrow. And then we'll keep moving. Again, thank you. I appreciate it. Have a great night.